you want to do this, then keep watching. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day, having a good summer so far. It's 4 p.m. and I'm still wearing pajama pants, but that's okay. Anyway, today's video is one of my most requested videos, which is how I make my thumbnails. Honestly, I feel like the way I make thumbnails is unnecessarily complicated, but I'm gonna walk through each step that I do, even though you don't necessarily have to do all of these steps. This is just my exact process. Let's get into the video. So obviously to make the thumbnail you need a picture. When I make a thumbnail I always take the quote main picture using the camera's self-timer. Once I'm satisfied with the pictures I've taken, I download them onto my phone. FYI, this video does not cover how to download the pictures onto your phone from your camera because everyone has a different camera. This procedure depends on the make and model of the camera you own, or you could just take the thumbnail using your phone. Yeah. So here is the main picture in my Photos app. You may additionally have other pictures that you want to include on top of the main picture too. These are the other pictures I'll be using for this thumbnail. The first step is Adobe Lightroom. For this part I use presets that I purchased from Victoria B Photo on Etsy. This preset package includes 5 presets for $3.30, which is a great deal and supports small artists. The link to her Etsy shop will be in the description, plus she has a bunch of other preset packages too. Anyway, if you decide to buy the preset package, her instruction manual will explain how to download the presets into Adobe Lightroom. So with the downloaded presets, all I have to do is import the photo or photos that I'll be using for the thumbnail. Then I click on each photo and scroll over to the presets and click on the one that I like the most. I save the photo to the camera roll and that part is done. Repeat this step for each photo that you want to include in your thumbnail. Once you get the hang of it, it takes literally like 8 seconds. It's not too difficult. Next I go to the app PicsArt. This is the stage where I put all of the photos together and add some drawings. So I start and edit by clicking on the main picture I want to use for the thumbnail. Next I go over to add photo and add the photos that I want to put on top of the main picture. Then I resize them and adjust them to however I like it. Once the pictures are in their ideal places, now I add outlines. I go over to brushes and click on the tool that's the furthest to the left. I choose the color white and make the size a little bit smaller. Then I outline the most eye-catching parts of the thumbnail by creating random little squiggles, if that makes sense. When I'm satisfied with the way the thumbnail looks, I save it to the camera roll. And finally, it's time to add text. You can add text in PicsArt and I would recommend that because it's easier. However, I do use PicMonkey for this part because there is a font that I prefer that I can only get through PicMonkey on the desktop. So I airdrop the partially completed thumbnail to my laptop and go to PicMonkey. I click TT and yours, selecting Helvetica New, and add text. Here I write the title of the video, then I change the settings. Next, I center the text. I also like to add a few smaller pieces of text in Helvetica New using white plus bold plus italic, and I place these in open spaces on the thumbnail. The very last thing I do is click on the butterfly icon and add a white star. I make the star really small and then I copy and paste the stars throughout the thumbnail and the rest of the open spaces like so. And that's it. Yay, ta-da, haha. And that's it. That's how I make my thumbnails. You know, as I said at the beginning, it is unnecessarily complicated, but I kind of think it works. So take that as it is. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, follow me on my social media, and thanks again for watching. See ya on Sunday. Bye.